I headed to the gym. Jaylene didn't want to fall asleep, so I left her room, and she's all upset about it, but she's gonna need to learn that she needs to fall asleep if she wants me to stay in the room with her. So learning a little bit of lesson. Hopefully Mama Bear don't go run in there and try to save her. Had a pretty good day. Only needed 8,000 steps. Pretty much there. Went and walked a mile this morning just to get some activity in first thing in the morning. So I was tired the other day when I didn't do it. Took a little bit of a half day. Went to Aldi's. Was quite surprised by the price for a lot of the things. Probably start going there for chicken and fish and stuff. Then went to Kroger to get the things that Aldi's didn't have, and they still didn't have everything. So then we went to Walmart to grab the last few things. Jennifer made these shrimp nori cupcakes that I'll post a video on. They were super macro friendly. It's insane with the ingredients that we used. And then she got some ingredients to make these protein cookies, so she's gonna make those tomorrow. I won't have any of those. Those won't fit in my macros at all, especially with how far we are in prep. So got pull day today, back by rear delt. Looking forward to it. Gonna try to really blast it since my activity level's been such or so low and minimal this week. So get in there. Just gonna try to kill it.